Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can change our password in Raiz investment. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Raiz investment. After that, click on the first link appeared on your screen. Then click on login. Next you'll see this box in which you have to click on forget password. Next you have to type your email and you have to click on send email. One verification link will be sent to your email. You have to check your email for that. Here you can see click here to change your password. You have to click on that. That will lead you to this page where you can enter your new password and you can confirm your new password and click on reset. Now your password is changed. This is how you change your password in Raiz investment. Hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.